In this video, we'll guide you through the onboarding process and show you how to complete your investor verification on Property Bridges. Once you're logged in, click Not Verified. This will take you to the verification process, where the platform will guide you through the required onboarding steps to activate your account and enable investing. First, you'll complete your investor profile. Choose whether you're investing as an individual or a company. Then provide your personal details. Contact information and address, ensuring all information matches your official documents. Next, you'll be asked to complete a short investor classification and knowledge assessment. This helps us understand your investing experience and ensure the platform is suitable for you. Please take a moment to carefully read the risk warnings below. Before continuing, you must confirm that you understand and accept the risks associated with investing on Property Bridges by ticking each box. You will not be able to proceed unless all acknowledgements are selected. After that, you'll complete a short suitability questionnaire. This helps confirm your understanding of how investments on the platform work. Please select the correct answers to continue. You'll also be asked to provide information about your ability to bear loss. This step is required under EU crowdfunding regulations and helps complete your investor profile. Next, you'll confirm whether you or any close associates are politically exposed persons, also known as PEPs. Finally, you'll upload your verification documents. This includes a valid photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of address. Make sure all documents are clear, complete, and fully visible. Once submitted, your documents will be reviewed by our compliance team. You can continue using the platform while verification is in progress. When your verification is approved, your account status will update to verified, and you'll be fully ready to invest on Property Bridges.